2017 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Xenon headlights, all-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power door locks, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, compass, airbags, tachometer, head-up display, heated passenger seat, rear wiper, remote window operation, power heated outside mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.